Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Uh, we haven't posted in a while because of everything that's been happening in Jamaica. You know, every time I watch a video of them, it makes me emotional and sad. So because of that, we're not really that post no video. So Jamaica gonna need everybody hands on deck. Everybody have to try to donate and support in the way of them can support. Because it's not gonna be rough for a long time.
It's true. Yeah, to be honest, I didn't feel comfortable. Excuse me. To be honest, never feel comfortable like posting because we're not there and then they lost everything. And for me to just be posting like everything is okay, I didn't feel comfortable doing that, so I didn't really post anything. Even though our parish didn't get a big hit, but other parishes.
Basically, it looked like a bomb they dropped.
Exactly.
And Jamaica have never experienced anything like this before. So I know say a lot of people are gonna be traumatized from this event because trust me, especially the kids them and the
And it
people
can
them.
mess with people mentally because for you to
Yeah,
wake up and everything is gone, you don't have anything, you have to start over again. And sometimes it
yeah.
take them like years to get
Forget
where.
what them get.
Yeah. So it's traumatizing and it's so I couldn't stop crying. Like the days after, even now, I can't watch some of the videos because I watch Cameron TV and Colors
Colors,
and everybody they're doing the relief giving
packages,
and
and yeah.
it is so hard to watch. Hard to watch.
But you know, all of us with a yard and broad, we have to try support in any way that we can support. You know, donate to anybody where you feel comfortable. Donate to like
Because that's what we are doing. We are donating to people that we feel comfortable donating with because hear some things on the internet, oh, this not reaching there, son, this not
yeah.
reaching there. So you have to watch videos if you feel like you want to donate to a YouTuber because we're watching videos and know say, hey, this is the person that we're working with and whatever. So that's why you have to make sure so you feel comfortable with everybody in any way that you can. You have
So
to try and help each
I have
other.
some friends in Florida that them have a donation drive. I can put a picture up of them phone number on the page on the screen. So if you guys feel comfortable, you know, you can donate to. We're not gonna tell them who to donate to or
Yeah.
so anybody wanna feel comfortable with wanna donate and we'll try help because Jamaica gonna need the whole away for a long time to come. It's not gonna just be an easy fix.
And it's not going to be a month or a 2 month. It's going to take years of rebuilding.
So everybody have to just come together and just do them thing. Because if you have ever been poor or grew up a certain way, you understand that them people are got you like without a roof, without a bed, without food. It's not a good feeling. And
I saw a
especially when you
video
have
where
kids.
little girl said that her slippers blow away in the storm.
And she
It
have two different
broke my heart. And she had on two different foot of shoes. It broke my heart to hear the little girl. I saw it on Raj, um, Spearfish in Jamaica
spearfishing, yeah.
channel.
So everyone that's been doing colors, camera and TV, a whole heap of YouTubers, Raj, some of them I remember off my head, but so whole heap of them I do them I support and I do them thing and I help the people them. That's good. Cause another time, yeah, unity can be strength. Everybody have to come together and make it happen because it's rough.
Yeah, and we got a lot of new subscribers from the videos that we were posting. The videos were sent to us from family members and friends in Jamaica, and we posted them on the channel because, as you know, we are here in Florida. So when they sent us the video, I posted them, and we got a lot of subscribers. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. If you love family content
Content.
and lifestyle content, and sometimes travel content, go ahead and subscribe or continue watching. And thank you guys for subscribing.
Yeah, we're on our way to 1K, guys. Just help and support the movement. You know, just subscribe to the channel. Well, we're more than halfway there now, so let's
Yeah.
try to get to the 1K mark, and then we can move from this. So just let's build together, alright? So stay tuned. We're gonna have some vlog come up, but for now we just are going to take it easy because everything we're going to Jamaica, everybody focus kind of there right this right now because them need our help in any way we can help them. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share,
And subscribe.
subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, see you in the next one.
Melissa making a direct hit on Jamaica. The Prime Minister declaring the entire island a disaster area, many parts cut off by flooding, and power is out across nearly 80% of the island. At least 7 people are known to have died, but that number could rise as emergency workers comb through the aftermath. About 25,000 tourists are also riding out the storm. Kingston's airport could reopen as soon as Thursday for emergency relief flights. And Melissa is now hammering Cuba with up to 10 inches of rain. Forecasters say it will then head towards the Bahamas and could have an impact on Bermuda heading into Thursday. Melissa is not expected to hit the US.
So how them the how you do the exhibition? How the exhibition go? At top of the diamond, yes, a diamond was here. A diamond was right here for you. A diamond was football. But no more sand. Well, we pray that it goes in the Pachi.
I do not know, Father.
Wait, man,